Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for you a 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom house for sale in Wortchester, Spanish Town, St. Catherine. This property comprises of 3 separate self-contained sections. On the left side of the building is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and at the upstairs at the back also has 2 bedrooms, 2-bathroom section. On the right side of the building, you have 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. This property is suited for a large family or a multi-family arrangement. It can also both serve as an income earner and a family dwelling. The tiling throughout is terrazzo and the house is grilled. The property is fully fenced, centrally located, paved, and the land is level. The current asking price for this house is Jamaican 25 million or US $160,000. Now, let's take a look at this house and please leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.